how to turn off or on order confirmation notification on Ecwid, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off or on order confirmation notification on Ecwid, easy and quick. First open settings and then go to notifications here, and here we'll find order confirmation. Now if you want to turn it off, just click on it and you can turn it on again, and after that all you need to do just go back, it will be saved, and that's it. Just go back, it will be saved. And I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.